Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So in today's video, I'm gonna make it short and sweet. I'm just gonna share with you some items that I picked up at Ulta the other day and then announce the winner of my giveaway. So if that sounds good to you, definitely keep on watching. All right, so before we get into the Ulta haul, I did want to invite you to go ahead and subscribe if you love videos about affordable beauty and all that good stuff. So just hit that subscribe button and also to the notification bell, because if you do that, then you will always be notified when an upload goes up. I do post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, usually in the evenings. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I bought a few items at Ulta. I mainly went there to kind of stock up on some skincare stuff. If you've been on my channel for any period of time, you know that I love Estee Lauder. And it had been a while since I've purchased serums and I'm really kind of missing them. So I went there to buy a couple of serums. So I bought this once before and really liked it. And so this is a repurchase for me. It's the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix. And this is what the container looks like. A lot of people love this product and hate the design of it because it comes on this wand. And a lot of people say you can't get the product out. You can, you just have to get creative. You just have to tip it upside down. So I love this stuff. It gets really good reviews and it goes around your eyes and it can be worn under your eye cream, which is always great. So yes, this is a repurchase for me for sure. Then the second item that I bought, and this is actually a new product for me. I'm trying it for the first time. It is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. And this is what the bottle looks like. It has that same style and it has like a pump, which I like. You know, I'm sure at the end of the product I will have to tip it upside down and open it up and all that good stuff. But this product does have a scent. It kind of smells like vanilla. And of course these products all come in these awesome glass bottles that are dark, which are really nice. So far so good. It makes my skin feel really supple. So I'm very excited to have some serums back in my skin routine. Then I bought a couple more items. So I recently did my very first favorites video, which I will have linked down below so you can check that out later. And in that I described loving this Hemp's pumpkin spice and vanilla chai herbal body moisturizer, and this is a limited edition. It comes out around this time of year. And I have a bottle of it that I showed you in that video, but I wanted to buy another one, so I went ahead and did while I was there. So very excited to have this back. It smells amazing, if you can imagine. It's really good. I definitely highly recommend it. And it's something I've been wanting, but I know it's discontinued, is I think it's called the NYX Concealer Pot, and I've been wanting to use it to like clean up my eyebrows. I think that's what Jasmine uses on her channel. I'll have her channel linked below. She's a huge YouTube star, but she always uses that product, and so I've been looking for like a similar product. At least I believe it's been discontinued. You might have to buy it on the website. I'm not 100% sure, but I did find a similar kind of a type product, like a concealer in a pot, which you don't really see a whole lot of. It actually kind of came down to the Benefit Boing concealer, if I'm saying that correctly, and this one. I just decided, since I was spending so much money this trip, that I would just go ahead and get this because it was like half the price. This is the Revolution Conceal and Fix Ultimate Cover Concealer. This is in light sand. So this is what the jar looks like, which is really cute. And this is what the product inside looks. It has a film on the top. And so yeah, I'm very excited to try this. I hope it serves the purpose in which I bought it for. Then this was kind of an impulse buy, but I did it. I got the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in Rockin' Rose, and it looks really, really pretty. So I picked it up. It looks kind of duochrome-esque. In fact, it kind of reminds me of like the Natasha Denona ones they just came out with, which I have been wanting to buy. I'm actually gonna be going to Sephora next week for the first time in forever. So I might pick some of those up, but yeah, I thought this was really pretty. So it caught my eye. So like I said, kind of an impulse buy, but that's okay. We have to do that every now and again, don't we? And then the last item, and I actually did not purchase this. It's my birthday gift. So my birthday is at the end of the month. And so my birthday gift was the Lancome UV Expert Aqua Gel Defense Sunscreen. And this is in the SPF 50. And so this is the little package it came in. And I think out of all the years I've gone to Ulta, this is the only time I've actually redeemed my birthday gift. I guess a lot of times I forget. Either that or I get too shy to ask or whatever it is, but now I'm not anymore. So I'm very excited. So it's an all-day primer and moisturizer, and this is with the sample. It's like a deluxe sample. So yeah, I think this is just a great thing to have. I probably will pack it on vacation and all that good stuff. So can always use a good sunscreen for sure. All right, so now that we get the haul out of the way, it is time to announce the winner of my giveaway. And so I just want to thank everybody that took the time to enter and subscribe and comment and do all that good stuff. I certainly hope that you will stay with me and that this giveaway helped you find my channel and helped me find you as one of my Dollar Divas. So thank you so much to everybody who not only watches and has subscribed and supports me all the time, but also to anyone that found me through my giveaway and has decided to come and support me. So I just want to thank everybody for the outpouring of response and support, and I definitely appreciate it. And also too, this is not my last giveaway, so if you did not win today, it will definitely not be my last. I'm now in a groove. This is my second one, and so I will be doing many more. So definitely don't feel bad if you didn't win today. And the winners are chosen completely at random. So with all that said, let's just go ahead and choose a winner. I won't make you wait any longer. So I do have my phone. I have a random selector, and it does it a bunch of different ways. So what I did was I went through all of the people that entered, put their names down in this app, and then it just selects a name at random. So what I did was I entitled this list September 2020 giveaway, and I put everybody's names in that entered, and there were quite a few of you, which I was so surprised. Thank you again so much. And when I hit that bubble down there that says pick a name, it will pick a winner. So let's just go ahead and get this done. And the winner is Dover Girl 19789. Oh, how exciting. I think you entered my last giveaway too, if I'm remembering correctly. So Dover Girl 19789 is our winner for this giveaway. Again, if you did not win this time around, there's gonna be many, many, and many more. So to the winner, you can either message me on Instagram, send me a DM, and give me your contact information, all that good stuff. That way I can ship your prize to you. Or you can email me. My email address is in the description box down below. So either way, whichever way you feel more comfortable, and I will ship your prizes to you. And like I said, again, thank you so much to everybody who has supported me and who has entered the giveaway and who continues to support me, and I appreciate it so, so much. I know as I sit here today, I'm almost at 700 subscribers, and so it's getting close to that 1,000 mark, and the work just starts when you hit 1,000. I mean, it is not done when you hit 1,000. So I just gotta keep moving forward, and hopefully I will just always continue to keep bringing content that you would like to see. So again, Dover Girl 19789, contact me and I'll get your prize shipped out to you. And thank you to everybody. And so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.